Hello, I know some of you may be wondering, what is this man holding? This is called Oda in eastern part of this country. UDA, that's what it is called. You can see it. I have it in large quantity here. Oda is Negro pepper in English. I don't know what you call it in your own dialect. Please, if you know, let me know on the comment section so that I can learn other languages. Tell me what you call this Negro pepper in your own language in the comment section. Please don't fail. Negro pepper is Oda in the southeast. It is very powerful spice. For those of you that know about it, used for cooking pepper soup and other soup in that region, and other countries use it also, but they have different names. They call it in their own language. In your own area where you are residing now, what do you call this Negro pepper? What do you call it in your own dialect? Please let me know on the comment section. In this particular video, I'm going to give you all the nutritional and medicinal value of this particular product. This is how to make or grow your broiler up to 8 kg very fast with Negro pepper. This one plant, this one organic plant, can do the wonders for you. Watch the video to the end so that you get all the nutritional and medicinal value of or uses in poultry, organic poultry farming. If you are really into organic poultry farming, you need to know about this. You can see it. And if you need this, please send me a message on my message line that you need this. I can send it to you. Drop the comments. I need this in my, and tell me a location. I will send it to you. See it here. This is Negro pepper. Let me have an idea of what you call it in your own dialect, and if you need it, I can send some to you. How you to make use of this in poultry farming? How do you make use of it to grow your broiler up to 8 kg and to have jumbo egg, big egg? If you are into layers farming, your broilers and poultry birds will grow faster and bigger. This particular product will make them eat well to energize their eating capacity, and at the same time feed conversion ratio will increase. Let's get to the nutritional and medicinal value of the particular product right now. What if one simple local spice, Oda, could boost your bird's immunity, improve growth, and at the same time help you reduce poultry loss naturally? Most farmers overlook this powerful solution, yet it is already around you, readily available in your location, but different names, Negro pepper and other names, both botanical name and others, which I will not discuss here. If you need them, please on the comment section, let me have your idea on the comment section. This video, I will expose Negro pepper Oda, how it can help you to support your poultry birds, and how it can also help you to get maximum weight of 8 kg broiler in few months. Your livestock will improve, your farm will improve, both in performance, and your finance will at the same time be adjusted. Your profit will be adjusted. This is Oda. See it. Some of you will say, I didn't see it well. I don't know it. I don't have it in my area. Which country are you watching from? Do you have this in your country? What do you call it in your country? Are you seeing it? You're seeing it. So, Negro pepper is not a magic cure and cannot be tagged as a magic plant. No. But it can guarantee you zero mortality because it works as a natural support, antibacterial, digestive aid, and immune booster. Good hygiene, vaccination, and feeding are still essential if you are making use of this product. Don't just go and relax that this product is immune booster, therefore even if my birds catch infection, I am giving them Negro pepper. No, you must give them quality food. You must keep the environment, all the biosecurity measures intact, and vaccinate your poultry birds. Some will say, why am I vaccinating birds when I'm into organic? Who told you that? If whether you are organic or synthetic, you must vaccinate your poultry birds. Vaccination itself is organic. Make sure you give your vaccine at the appropriate time. If you don't know how to vaccinate poultry birds according to organic way, watch the videos in my channel. I have how you can do that, combined with some organic materials also. Infections, Negro pepper may help you control or support you to get rid of. One is coccidiosis. It supports the gut health and recovery of your poultry bird from coccidiosis. Diarrhea and digestive disorder. If your poultry birds are purging, if they're having diarrhea, this can help to stabilize the digestion system. Respiratory issues, CROD, cough, sneezing, and others. It can help to reduce inflammations. E. coli infections. It is a natural antibiotics, and this antibacterial action in this particular product can curb this. Salmonellosis. It helps to limit bacterial growth in poultry and livestock animals. Fowl typhoid. It serves as a supportive care for poultry and livestock animals. Natural bacterial infections. General bacteria. This can take care of them naturally. Parasites. Like all the parasites, both internal and external parasites, called endo and ectoparasite. This can help improve the resistance and at the same time control it. It supports the body, not a replacement for proper treatment in severe cases, but it can help to manage them and at the same time help to improve the health of your poultry birds. Antibacterial that help to farm harmful gut bacteria. Antimicrobial that controls growth of disease causing organisms, the disease causing organisms in their body. This will help to control it. Anti-inflammatory reduces internal inflammations in the poultry and livestock animal. Digestive disorder. It boosts the digestive system and improves feed utilization and creates appetite for them to eat well. In any livestock animal at all, both four-legged and feathered birds. Detoxifier. It supports liver and the body cleansing. It strengthens disease resistance and at the same time help birds cope from cold or heat stress. What are the benefits for livestock like goats, sheep, cattle, and big birds? It improves appetite. It enhances digestion, reduces bloating, supports general health, and at the same time help in recovery. If your poultry birds travel for long distance, most especially the day-old chicks, you can use this to curb their stress before any other feed at all. Simple ways to use this Negro pepper. One, the number one method is water extract. Crush this as you see it. After sun drying it, you can crush it. It has powerful aroma, powerful aromatic smell. Crush it in a mortar, or you can soak it in water overnight or 2 days. Then give the water, but the best way is boiling. You can gather 200 grams of this, just maybe a handful of this. Handful of it is over 200 grams. And this can help you to take care of about 200 birds. Boil it thoroughly for up to 20 to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool. Mix it with their drinking water and serve to them 2 to 3 times per week. You are going to get powerful results. Please avoid overdose. If you overdose it, it's going to cause additional issue for them. Please don't do that. Don't say, let me overdose it so that they will get better. No. Give it to them according to the measurement I'm giving you here and follow the instructions severely. Again, this particular product is a wonderful product. Avoid overdose. Negro pepper is a powerful natural addictive that can support poultry and livestock health, improve digestion, and reduce disease pressure on the poultry and livestock animals. But remember, true success comes from combining natural remedies with good management, hygiene, and proper feeding. Please don't play with their feeding. You must give them balanced ration, because healthy system is equal to healthy birds, which is also equal to high profit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this topic, because I don't want you to go too far, drop it on the comment section. What name do you call this in your location? Do you have it in your area, or do you know where you can buy this in your own location? If you don't have or you don't know, let me know on the comment section. If you need this, do you need me to send this to you? Let me know on the comment section. I will send it to you. Once you give your location, your name, your location, and where you're watching from, I'll send this to you. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video loading very soon. Till then, bye.